Are you frequently receiving attacks in Dark War Survival? How can we prevent this? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will discuss several tips to protect your shelter. Reason. The common reasons for attacks in the game are to plunder resources and kill troops. While politics could play a role, we cannot assist. If you're not a high spender, it's advisable to avoid getting involved in politics and instead enjoy the game quietly. When you are attacked, it's essential not to take it personally. Such attacks are simply part of the game's design. We can't instruct the attacker to stop. Instead, our focus should be on protecting our shelter through strategic methods. Using a shield is the best option, but it can be expensive to rely on it every day. Therefore, we will discuss alternative strategies that don't involve using a shield. Resources. If you have a lot of resources in your shelter, you may attract the attention of invaders. A straightforward approach to mitigate this risk is to use up your resources, making your shelter less appealing. Spend your resources on upgrading buildings, conducting research, and training troops as much as possible. Additionally, you can enhance your warehouse to protect more resources. For instance, a level 20 warehouse protects up to 35 million resources. If your resources fall below this threshold, your plunderable resources will drop to zero. Further upgrades to your warehouse will significantly increase its protection capacity. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. NAP. The top alliances often have non-aggression pacts to avoid attacking each other, which helps create a stable and healthy server. Consider joining one of these alliances for protection under NAP. Remember, this is just a game. Nobody will prioritize your shelter more than you will. Make sure to find a suitable alliance that suits your needs. Troops. During the kill events, such as the 6th day of the Alliance Duel, when we need to eliminate troops to earn points, you will likely face increased attacks. Even if you have no resources available, you will still be targeted. The reason for the attack is to kill your troops to earn points. If you have plenty of troops, you're a tempting target. We can hide our troops from invaders to minimize these attacks and reduce troop losses. This strategy is simple. Deploy all your formations away from your shelter and leave only a minimal number of troops inside. When an invader attacks, you will only incur minor injuries to the troops in your shelter, making it less appealing since fewer troops can be defeated. You can send your troops to gather resources, station them on the ground, or use them for reinforcement. However, invaders can still target your formations in resource mines or on the ground. The safest option is to reinforce a fellow alliance member's shelter that has a shield or to put them in a city that is unlikely to be attacked. Keeping your shelter devoid of troops and plunderable resources will reduce the chances of becoming a target during kill events. Using a shield should be your final resort if these strategies do not suffice. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instinct. See you soon.